Has TIG welding always seemed interesting, but you don't want to spend thousands of dollars on a setup you'll probably only use a few times a month? Well, here's the answer to all your problems. This is the Rockwood TIG 180 AC/DC welder, and it makes true AC/DC TIG welding more affordable and more accessible than ever before. Let's take a look. Oh, and by the way, if you want to learn more about the TIG 180 or any other products we offer at Eastwood, check out the links in the description below. And while you're at it, don't forget to subscribe and like this video for more tips, projects, and product reviews. Now, let's get back to the video. So what does AC/DC actually mean for you? It means that everything you need is packed into this one portable machine. On DC, you can easily tackle steel and stainless projects, perfect for frames, exhaust, structural work. Flip it to AC with the push of a button, and you can weld aluminum, intake manifolds, motorcycle cases, turbo piping, you name it. This machine is going to be perfect for the DIYer or weekend warrior looking to tackle those projects, but do not want to spend thousands of dollars on a professional welding unit. The TIG 180 gives you a ton of adjustable features like AC balance and AC frequency right on the front of the panel, so you can dial in the arc for perfect cleaning or deeper penetration. Also featured on the control panel are dedicated knobs for pre and post flow, as well as a button for switching between 2T and 4T modes. Pre and post flow control the amount of time before and after your arc has been struck. This makes sure you have a clean and contaminant-free weld area. Now with the machine set to 2T mode, it's a simple press and hold to weld. But flip it to 4T mode and the machine goes into cruise control. Pull the trigger to start the arc and release it to slope up to your peak amperage. When you're done, pull the trigger again and the machine will slope back down to your end amperage. 4T mode is perfect for long, intricate beads where you don't want your trigger finger to get tired and mess up your rhythm. Now, if you've ever tried to scratch start TIG, you know it can be pretty frustrating. The Rockwood TIG 180 makes it simple. It has a high frequency start. That's a fancy way of saying you just point and shoot. No scratching, no sticking, just pull the trigger on the included torch or use the foot pedal and the arc starts cleanly every time. And speaking of the foot pedal, it's like a car throttle for your weld. Rock your foot down to ramp up the amperage in real time, which gives you complete control over the heat input. Did I mention the TIG 180 can also stick weld? With one button press and a quick cable swap, it transforms it into a full-featured stick welder. So whether you have this machine hooked up to a generator doing some stick welding out in the field, or you're doing some delicate aluminum TIG welding out in your garage, this machine truly does have it all. Now check this out. The entire machine weighs under 20 pounds. Thanks to modern inverter technology, the TIG 180 punches way above its weight, and it's dual voltage. Got a standard household outlet? Use the included adapter cord. Ready to tap into its full potential? Plug it into a 240 volt outlet, and you're pushing 180 amps, enough to weld 3/16 inch material. So, what do you get straight out of the box? Well, pretty much everything you need to get started welding except for a gas cylinder. You get the TIG torch, the ground clamp, the foot pedal, you even get a stick welding electrode holder. Additionally, you get a tungsten electrode, different size collets, and gas cups. It really is a complete kit. This is the perfect welder for the serious hobbyist, the carver store, the fabricator, or anyone in a small shop who wants great weld quality at a great price. And if you ever have questions, Eastwood's tech team is just a phone call away. With the right equipment, getting started with welding doesn't have to be scary. The Rockwood TIG 180 AC/DC gives you the versatility, the features, and the power to finally bring that dream project to life. Head over to eastwood.com and grab one before they're gone.